Have you ever scrolled past a blog post and thought, wait, someone's getting paid just for writing this? Well, you were right, and it is probably more than you think. In today's video, I am going to walk you through exactly how smart people are building affiliate websites that generate up to $5,000 per month using artificial intelligence. No fluff, no vague theory. This is a practical step-by-step plan. And yes, it actually works. Part 1. Pick a profitable niche. Let us begin with the foundation. Your niche. You want a niche that is profitable but not oversaturated. Think best standing desks for remote workers. Instead of just fitness, use AI tools like ChatGPT and Google Trends to brainstorm. You can prompt, give me 10 profitable affiliate website niches that are underserved but have high buyer intent. Then cross-check with SEMrush or Ahrefs to validate search volume and keyword difficulty. Look for low competition, high-intent keywords like best hiking backpacks under $100. Budget video editing laptops for students. This step is the difference between making pennies and making thousands. Part 2. Build the website now. Let us set the stage. Use Framer, Durable, or Tenderly, all of which are AI-powered website builders. You do not need to write a single line of code. Tell the AI create a clean blog-style website for reviewing productivity gadgets for remote workers. It generates the layout, design, structure, even the branding. Then connect your domain, add analytics, and you are ready to go live. Part 3. Use AI to generate content. This is where things get exciting and scalable. Use ChatGPT with SEO plugins like AIPRM to write full blog posts. Let us say your keyword is best ergonomic chairs under $200. Prompt ChatGPT, write a 1,500-word review blog post comparing the top 5 ergonomic chairs under $200. Include pros and cons, a call to action, and affiliate product links. Now pair this with Surfer SEO or NeuronWriter, which ensures your content is keyword optimized and actually ranks on Google. Post 3 to 5 high-quality articles per week, and your traffic will start growing exponentially within 2 to 3 months. Part 4. Add affiliate links smartly. Do not just dump links. Use AI to insert them strategically. Join programs like Amazon Associates, Impact ShareCell, or niche-specific ones like Bluehost for web hosting. Then use LinkWhisper AI to auto-suggest internal links and affiliate placements. For example, when you mention a product like Logitech MX keys, LinkWhisper can instantly connect it to your Amazon affiliate link without you manually searching for it. More clicks is equal to more commissions, which is equal to more money. Part 5. Add visuals and video with AI. Readers want more than text. Visuals keep them hooked. Use Canva, AI, or Vism to create infographics, product comparison tables, and thumbnails. Add Pictory to convert blog posts into YouTube shorts or reels with AI narration. Now you are turning one piece of content into a blog post, infographic, and video, all with minimal effort. This makes your site look more premium and builds authority faster. Drive traffic with AI-powered tools. Having content is not enough. You need eyeballs. Use Jasper AI or Copy AI to write SEO titles, meta descriptions, and Twitter threads that drive traffic. You can even ask ChatGPT, write a Reddit post promoting my article on the best noise-canceling headphones for remote workers. Make it casual, not salesy. Also use Quora Answer, AI bots, or anywhere to write value-packed replies with back. Distribute your content everywhere your audience already hangs out. Part 7. Monetize beyond affiliate. Once you have traffic, diversify income streams. Use Google AdSense or Ezoic for ad revenue. Launch an email list using Beehiiv, AI, or MailerLite, AI. A downloadable product like a comparison guide or digital checklist. Use CoalaWriter AI to auto-create lead magnets. Affiliate income plus ad revenue plus email funnel is equal to a real business. Now, you scale. Hire low-cost virtual assistants and content editors using platforms like Fiverr or Up. Use ClickUp AI or Notion AI to manage editorial calendars. Clone your successful site into another niche using the same blueprint. Remember, traffic compounds, and content is an asset. The more you publish, the more you earn, passively. The truth is, affiliate marketing is not dead. It is just evolving. And those who pair it with artificial intelligence are not just saving time. They are multiplying income. So if you are serious about building a real income stream, this is your sign. Start small. Be consistent. Let the AI do the heavy lifting. This is Byte to Bank, where we turn digital time into financial freedom. Make sure to subscribe, like, and drop a comment if you are ready to launch your first AI-powered affiliate site. See you in the next one.